Perform the two-path test to determine if the limit does not exist or is inconclusive given x, y, and z. So we have our limit right here, the function right here, and x, y, and z right here. The first step you want to do is you want to substitute all of the variables here into this function. So step 1, substitute variable values into function. Therefore, you have 2 plus at minus 2, y, which is bt, z, which is ct squared, over x, which is 2 plus at minus 2 to the 4th power, plus y, which is bt to the 4th power. Now what you want to do next is you want to combine like terms, so simplify this. You have a positive 2 and a negative 2. This cancels out, and so does this. So you are left with at times bt times ct squared over at to the 4th power plus bt to the 4th power. Now, we can combine like terms in here as well. So you are then going to have abc squared, because you distribute the square into c and t, so c squared, and then t, you have 2t to squared over here, t to the 1st power here, and t to the 1st power over here. So 2 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4, so t4 over. You can distribute the 4th power, so you are going to have a to the 4th power, t to the 4th power, plus distribute for the 4th power here as well, b to the 4th power, and t to the 4th power. Okay, so now you could factor out t. You have a, b, c, 2, t4. Factor out t. Inside you have a to the 4th power plus b to the 4th power. And when you do this, you could cancel out t to the 4th power. You are then going to have abc squared over a to the 4th power plus b to the 4th power. And when you look at this, since the two-path test can be any real number here, abc squared over a to the 4th power plus b to the 4th power will be different for different values. Okay, so therefore, since it's gonna be different, the two-path test states that this will not exist. Therefore, according to the two-path test limit, does not exist. So let me write it in words. Since two-path test can be any real number, this will be different for different values. Therefore, the limit does not exist. And there you go.